No, it's 35.
35.
35, it is a parallel combination, na? Hello.
Yes.
So first branch is 1. C. Second branch C by 2. Next branch C by 4. C by 8. Keep on like that, na? 1 here, 2, 4, 8. He told, na? 16, 8. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then those are in series. Then first branch is C by 2. Next branch C by 4. C by 2, like. These are parallel. Then adding all these C plus C by 2 plus C by 4 plus so on. Then C common. 1 plus 1 by 2 so on up to. It is a geometric series, na? A by 1
Geometric,
minus R.
Yes, sir.
So C into A by 1 minus R. Then you will get 2C, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Understood, ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
$36. Two identical condensers M and N are connected in series with a battery. The space with M is completely filled with dielectric of constant. Then it will become 8C. And a copper plate, metal, thickness D by 2 and epsilon naught A by D minus D by 2. Then it will become 2C. D minus D by 2, na? Hello.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
Then potential difference across. Then 8C and 2C. Ratio is 4:1 capacity. Then potential difference ratio is 1:4, na?
Yes, sir.
First option, na? Because
Yes.
series Q is equal to CV, V proportional to
1 by 3.
got it, everybody?
Got it.
Yes, sir.
Then 40th one done.
No.
Yes, sir.
Q equal to CV, smallest you have to take, na? Hello. 2
Yes, sir.
into 1 is 12. And there is 1 is 1 into 6 is 6.
There is 2.
2 into 4 is 8. Then we should take 6 only, na?
Yes, Yes, sir. sir.
So 6 is equal to Q effective, C effective into V. So
2 by
6 is
3 into
equal to 2 by 3 into V. 9, na?
Yes. Yes. Forty
40,
second.
47, you try that. What is there? It is like this only, na? C1, C2, C3, C4. These are parallel. C1 plus C2 plus in series with C4, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
A by 3 by D by 2. Then this become how much? 2C by 3 with K1, K3. This also will become 2K2C by 3. This also will become 2, how much? K1C by 3, na?
Yes.
This will be 2.
Okay, 4C.
Then these are parallel, add them. That combination series with this one. Do it. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what happens there in that case?
Sir, can you do that once? I tried up till now.
So it will be 2C K1 plus K2 plus K3 into this is how much? 2 K4C by 2C common K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus 2 by 3, na? This one. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then by 3. Okay. Got it? 2C cancel. Then 2 K4C by 3 into K1 plus K2 plus K3 whole divided by how much? K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus
3K
3K4
by
then 2K4 into by equal to K dash into C. Then K dash is that only, na? Hello.
yes.
Yes.
Verify which is there, which option contains that one. Got it?
Yes.
I think third option will match.
Yes, sir. Third.
That only now we are getting here. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Got it, everybody?
Got it, sir.
What about 43? Got it?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
doubts.
Yes.
This is 0, na? That means assume battery negative terminal, this is positive terminal connected. Having a potential difference of 45 volts battery. You know you can do it, na? So Q is equal to CV, all are series. Q V proportion 1 by C. 1 by C1 is to 1 by 4 is to 1 by 7 is to 1 by 4. Then multiply 28, na? 7 is to 4 is to 7, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
7 is to 4 is to 7 means middle one across the second one is middle. 4 by 7 plus 4 plus 7. How much? 18 of total voltage. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This will go to
Sir, C3 is no sir. So it'll be infinity
hey,
values as
hey,
C3.
hey. Why it is earth? Who told earth? That is zero potential applied. That means the potential difference between the combination is if it is not closed, how they will charge up, Nana? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
How can I say that one? This is equivalent to a battery connect. So here higher potential 45, lower is 0. That means I am connecting a cell of 45 volts type only, na?
Yes, sir.
How if it is 0 means 0 volts means the potential is 0. That's it. It's not grounded type. Got it?
10 volts.
Yes, sir.
Then we got what is the ratio? You got 7 is to 4 is 4 7 is to 4 is to 7, na?
Yes, sir.
Then you will get 2 by 9, 10 volts, na?
10. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one, this is 0 means again, and A is 2000. That means we can connect them. So okay, this is 0 potential, this is 2000. The battery of 2000 volts is connected like that.
Yes.
Hello, everybody. So here this is 2000, this is 0 means potential difference indirectly. This is connected to a battery of 2000. That is the logic. Got it, everybody? Now, then the potential of B, where is B? This point. Okay. 10 and 10 series 5, na?
Yes, sir.
5 and 10 parallel 15, na?
Yes, sir.
Then this is reduced into 1 5 point B A.
Okay.
This is 15. This is how much?
5.
5. Then the potential difference across the combination is how much? 2000. So the ratio is 1:3 capacitance ratio. Then potential difference ratio will be how much? 3:1. 3:1 means here 3/4 of.
2000. 1500.
So 1500 drop should be there. Okay. Here a drop is how much?
500.
So here this is already at 2000. Here are dropping 1500 volt. Then this will be how much?
500.
Not 15. This is already 0, na? So
Yes,
the
sir.
drop is 500 only, na, here.
At
across
B it
this
is.
one.
Yes, sir.
So this point is not 1500. Be careful. 1500 is drop. Difference is 1500. Then A is already at 2000. Then B must be.
500.
Got it, everybody?
Got it, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Got it. Got it, sir.
Sir, once explain 43rd one, sir.
అది ఏం చెప్పాడు అక్కడ ఇది 0 ఇది 45 this and this are same type. Okay, what is values capacitance given? 474. All are that means this is at a potential of 45, this is a potential of, that means you are maintaining nothing but you are connecting a battery indirectly which is having a potential difference of, if you assume this is 0, this will be at plus 45 only, na?
Yes, sir.
All are series. Q is equal to CV. Q V from 1 by C. Then 1 by 4 is to 1 by 7 is to 1 by 4 is V1, V2, V3. 7 is to 4 is to 7. The across the middle one is asking. That is called 4. How many parts total? 18 parts of total applied voltage. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir, got it. Yes, sir.
Those the problems now we start. Hello.
Yes.
You try this also. 51 also. 51. Try on everybody. How many branches are there? A to B?
2, sir.
3.
3 branches.
Yes, sir.
How these two are?
Series.
How much?
3.
3.
How these two are?
4.
4.
Series.
This will be
4.
3C4. R in?
Parallel.
So 3 plus C plus 4
7 plus C.
7 plus 6 is 12.
equal
C is
to 12. C is how much?
5.
5. 5.
Got it, everybody?
Got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
See this one 55. There is shown in the figure the potential difference between A and B. Okay.
Yes.
How 7 and 5 are?
Series.
Hey, what are series?
Series, na, sir. From B it's going to.
Name of a soil for. Array, this is connected B, the other end is connected to
Yes,
B.
sir. Got it.
This is
Okay, sir.
also in
Parallel.
between A and B, na?
Yes, sir. Parallel.
Waste fellow. Then I can reduce the same circuit is simple as like this, na?
Yes.
So 7 plus 5 is,
12.
12.
the other one is
6.
6. Battery connected how much?
12.
12 volts. And so, what is the potential difference A and B means across this only he is asking.
Yes.
Then these two are in series, 6 and 12 are in. So Q is equal to 1 is to 2 potential capacity, potential difference ratio how much? 2 is to 1, na?
Yes.
So 2/3 and 1/3. 1/3 of
12.
12. How many volts?
4.
4.
So
4.
here drop is 4 volts, here drop is how many volts?
8 volts.
8 volts. Got it, everybody? Hello. Understood, Nana? Hello.
Yes, sir.
I want across this branch. Got it, everybody?
Oh, got it, sir.
energy stored in a capacitor. Okay. Now we'll take an uncharged parallel plate capacitor having a capacity C. Initially charged. This is connected to a battery of potential difference. Okay. Then what happens? Q initial on the capacity is how much? 0, no? Hello. This implies one is connected, what do you call, final charge let it stored is Q. That means this is pumping the charges. Slowly, this plate is becoming plus Q. This will become minus Q. Charges are accommodated on it. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then this plus plate is directly connected to what we call, this is connected to this one. This is connected to, that means potential difference initial nothing 0. When it is connected finally, the potential difference established is so much equal to V only, na? Because it is connected to battery only, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
That means the positive plate is at some potential, negative plate is at some potential. So the potential difference between the plates, what do you call, this is initial, this is finally, they are developing a potential difference. That means in the process of what it is doing, initially there are no charges on the capacitor, no charge is accommodated. Then on connecting this battery is pumping the charges, storing the charges. Then that means what we are doing initially, there is no potential difference, but slowly as the charges are accommodating on the plates of the capacitor, potential 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keep on increasing up to how much? Equal.
V.
Once the potential difference between the plates is numerically equal to the potential difference of the battery, then this point and this point at same potential. Initially, this is no potential, no charge, no potential. But this is a plus plate when this is having some potential, high potential, then it will pump the charges. The pumping of charges will accommodate on this process will continue. Then as the charge on this plate is increasing, automatically Q proportional charge is increasing, potential also
Increases.
increases at sometimes stops. That is called, we can call that as which state? A steady state. Means this happens after some time. As the charges are accommodate on the plates of the capacitor, then the potential of the plates also increase on 0, 1 volt, 2, 3, so up to certain value. When the potential of the plus plate of the battery is equal to plus plate of the capacitor, both are at same potential difference is 0, then till now I am pumping the charges. Now I cannot further pump the charges. That means the capacitor is got fully charged. Got it, Nana? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, similarly, this minus plate is there. Initially, no charge. Then initially this has no. Then this is at some point. It is also pumping the charges. Then again, after fully charged, the potential of this minus plate and this one will be same after some time because it is pumping the charges. It is a, what do you call, huge supply of energy. It keep on supplies the charges. Then the potential of negative plate and negative terminal will be equal. There is no further passage of charge, or there is no further accumulation of charge is not allowed. That means that the whatever the capacity is got fully charged. So fully charged capacitor, final potential is V, final charge accommodated on each plate is plus Q and minus Q on both the plates. Okay. That means this battery is continuously, what this battery is doing, hello, visible ra?
Yes, sir.
One minute now. Just a minute now. One minute, Nana. Audible, Ra?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, let me. First of all, 1 minute now, huh? I'm working on it. Just a minute. Huh? What happened? Just 1 minute now, huh? It got stuck. Let me apple. I'm checking on that. 1 minute, wait now. Okay, got it up. 1 minute. Visible, Ra? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
People are there, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, so what are you doing when you are connecting this one? This what you call initially the plate plus plate is at low zero potential compared to this plus terminal of the battery. Okay, this is minus. Then as the charge is storing on the plates of the capacitor, potential of the plates increase such that these will be at same potential, these will be. Then the potential difference between the plates is numerically becomes equal to potential difference across the two terminals of the battery. Na? Hello. That means initially the potential difference between plates is zero, slowly increase up to how much? V. Then it becomes fully charged capacitor. Further passage of the charge stops. It cannot accommodate any more charge beyond. Okay, Nana? Hello. Then what is happening here? Who is doing the work in accommodating the charges? Means this battery is pumping the charges. Okay. How much charge it pumped? It pumped a charge of how much? Q, such that and developed a potential difference then. Then work done by which one? Battery in storing the charges is potential difference into charge. What is the potential difference? V. What is the total charge accommodated? Q. Therefore, we can say that work done by battery or the source is V into Q. Okay. But is the capacitor having initially what is the charge on this one? 0. Finally having a charge how much? Q. Now the capacitor suddenly not raised to a potential V. It is initially at a potential difference how much? 0. Slowly rise it to how much potential? Hello. Hello.
V.
V.
That means the energy stored in the capacitor is not equal to VQ. Work done by battery is VQ. Okay, because battery is always battery means the potential difference between the terminals is V, and it is maintaining the potential difference V and pumping a charge Q. Therefore, work done is V into Q. But the capacitor is having what you call initially not having a charge. How much? 0 charge, and the potential is also 0. And the charge raised from 0 to capital Q. Potential also raised from 0 to how much? V. That means that the potential of the capacitor is not changed drastically, immediately not became 0 to V. It is slowly improved. Then work done by battery is VQ. But the energy stored is V average into Q. That is called V by 2 into Q. Therefore, this work done stored as energy, which is called VQ by 2. That is one kind of derivation. But we will do another way also. And let us see how. This is one kind of derivation. Why we got VQ by 2? We will prove it here. Let us see. And this is the capacitor connected to some battery. What is Q initial? 0 na?
0.
Then after at a t equal to t sometime, what is the charge on the capacitor? Let it be small q. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Then the corresponding potential difference is how much? Let us say V. Then as q equal to how much? C. Okay. Hello. Battery is connected, plus plate and minus plate. What is the charge on the capacitor initially? Hello everybody.
0.
0. After some time, what is the charge stored? Q.
Q.
Charge. Then this is always this what you call this capacitor is always connected to battery only, na? That means whatever the potential difference is there, it will be supplied to this one. Keep it like Q is equal to C. There. Now, what I want to is I want to add let dW be work done in adding a charge. How much? Further charge how much? dq. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then that small amount of work done is potential difference into charge only, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then potential difference at this moment, can I write Q by C from this one?
Yes, sir.
Then so dW is the amount of work done. Then total work done is sum of all small work done where the initial charge 0 to how much? Q, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
then that is called 1 by C into integral Q into dq, where Q changes from 0 to how much? Capital. This is like x power 1 only now.
Yes, sir.
Then 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, 0 to capital. That is called 1 by C into Q square by 2, 0 to Q. That is called Q square by 2C minus 0 only na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is stored in that one as a potential energy, that is called Q square by 2C. As Q equal to CV, then this potential energy is C square V square by 2C can be called as how much Ra? Half CV square. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to eliminate C. Then eliminate C. This is one version. Or U equal to what is C? Q by V na?
Yes, sir.
Then half C into Q by V into V square. Then QV by 2 only na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
Yes,
the
sir.
energy stored in a capacitor is, there are three forms. What is the one form? Half CV square. Another form?
QB by 2.
Another form? QV by 2. Got it? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All the three are same only na? This is the energy stored. Now, what is the energy stored? Observe the last term. What is the value you got? QV by 2 na?
Yes, sir.
But what is the work done by battery?
QB. PQ.
PQ. That means what happens is here, if you observe carefully, battery is doing 100% work. Is 100% work is converted into energy, or only 50% of work is only converted into energy here?
50%.
50% work.
Right. So be careful. Work done by battery in charging is different. Energy stored is different. Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So what is the work done by battery means? V into Q.
QB.
Energy stored is
Half VQ.
QV by 2. Or in this formula, tell what is the energy stored here? Half CV square. Another formula, Q square by 2C. Or another three formulas are there. Now, in terms of C and V, tell what is the work done by battery?
Half CV square.
Hey, these are energy stored.
CV square.
CV square.
V
What is in terms of Q and C? Tell what is the work done by battery?
Q square by C.
square by C.
Well, in terms of Q and V, what is the work done by battery?
Q by C.
QB.
QV.
Q.
Q.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So work done by battery is different, energy stored is different. Why this is a difference happens? Because some part of the energy will be dissipated through the conducting those connecting wires in the form of heat energy. Got it? That's why even though battery is doing this much work, all the 100% of work will not be stored as which energy? Potential energy. Got it? Hello, energy stored is different. Work done by battery. Which is more? Battery work is more or energy stored is more?
Battery work.
Battery work.
So work, you are doing some work. Some of the work is being wasted in the process of charging through what you call pumping the charge carriers across the through wires and all. Then some part of energy will be dissipated. Then remaining part will be stored. By this calculation, what we can say that how much quantity of energy was stored, Nana?
50%.
So we can say work done by battery is to energy stored in the ratio how much Ra?
2:1.
2:1.
Got it, Nana?
Yes.
Copy this. If you are done, I will move to the next page. Tell me, let me. Okay. Our remaining energy will be dissipated in the form of heat energy through the conducting wires and all. Who is 50% efficiency? Battery is do whatever the work battery is doing, it could not able to pump up all the energy. Some part is waste. Here, it is not the efficiency of the capacitor. It is the efficiency of what you call the system, battery system. Got it?
Done.
Done, everybody. Hello. Done, Nana.
Done.
Done, Nana, everybody.
1 minute, sir. Sir, answer to the previous page.
Done, no?
Done, sir. Done, sir.
1 minute, sir. Can you show? Done.
So three different forms of energy stored formula: half CV square, Q square by 2C, QE by 2. So once the capacitor reaches steady state, means it once it is fully charged, there is no passage of current in the circuit because it is fully charged. Then the both the plates are maintaining same potential difference as like that of the battery. Then there is no potential difference between the plates of the capacitor and between the battery terminals. Then potential difference is zero. The battery cannot pump the charge carriers, and hence no further accumulation of charge takes place across the plates of the capacitor. Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
That state is called steady state. When Q reaches what we call maximum value is reached, it is constant, fixed. Then you can say that dq by dt is nothing but current is zero. That's why in a fully charged capacitor, current is fixed, makes it maximum. Maximum means its change is zero. It neither increases nor decrease, fixed. Then it cannot change with respect to time is zero. That's why current is zero. That's why once this capacitor is what you call fully charged, then there is no question of current will not flow in the circuit. Got it, everybody?
Got it, sir.
So what is work done by battery is to energy stored in the capacitor.
Waste 1.
2:1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Done, everybody?
Sir, can you show the previous one?
ఎన్నిసార్లు నాలుగు రాయడానికి ఎంత గంటలు
Done.
తీసుకుంటాం? Done on everybody?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. Common potential. This is called, I am combining the capacitor, joining them like this. How? What is this? It is just related to like collisions type only, in the same direction or like that one. Let us say one capacitor is there. C1 V1 charged. Another capacitor is there having the credential C2 V2. This is plus plate minus plus minus. Then assume V1 is greater than V2. That means this plus plate, what you call, this is at higher potential compared. Then this is higher potential. It says I am at high potential. I will pump the charges to you. Okay. Then its potential is losing the charges. Potential will decrease. Na?
Yes, sir.
This is gaining the charge. Potential will increase. Na?
Yes.
So this transfer of charge from higher potential capacitors to lower potential keep on transfers till they attain what you call which potential? Common potential.
Same potential.
So if V1 is greater than V2, then what happens? Then in the process, if you observe carefully, the charge what is called initially, this is having a charge Q and this is having a charge how much? Q2. What is the total charge in the system? Q1 plus Q2 na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Charge neither be created nor be destroyed. I am not connecting to what you call this system to an external any battery, so that I am not pumping, already charged. These guys, so I charged the first capacitor and taken from the battery, then its charge is C1 into M fixed. I am not giving any more charges and I am not withdrawing to anybody. Just I connected one person having a charge C1 V1, another person having a charge C2 V2. Now if V1 V2 both are equal, no charge will flow from either first person to second or second to first person. Got it, everybody?
Got
Hello.
it.
Yes,
There
sir.
should be some difference. We are here 100 coulombs is here 1000 coulombs. We are least bothered. Are they maintaining potential differences across the capacitor? If they are equal, no charge will flow. If one is at higher potential, another is lower potential, then from higher potential to lower potential. If V2 is greater than V1, then charge will flow from second capacitor to which capacitor?
First capacitor.
First capacitor.
So I don't know V1 is more or V2. In this case, I am assuming V1 is more than V2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us assume. Then who will pump the charges? This will pump the charges.
V1.
V1.
Right. What is the total charge on the system? Total charge remains.
Constant.
Then what is the charge on first one? C1 V1
Then we
plus
C2 V2.
C2 V2. Then this Q. Why unnecessarily two capacitors? I can replace these two capacitors with a single capacitor. These two are parallel only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I can write in terms of C as what do you call C1 plus C2 into V.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then V equal to what is the formula? C1 V1 plus C2 V2 by.
V1.
C1 plus C2.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose, what I have done is, I have taken the first capacitor plus plate minus plate C1 V1. I connected to another capacitor C2 V2. But what is happening here? Which plates are connected?
Positive and negative.
Earlier,
Same place.
same. Here, then the total charge, assume Q1 is plus, Q2 will be which one?
Minus.
Minus
Then
Q.
you calculate common potential C1 V1 minus
C2
by.
C1.
One plus
C1
C2.
plus.
Therefore, the common potential what they attain is C1 V1 plus or minus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2. When L is plus,
Same conduct.
Same
similar plates are connected. When L minus,
Opposite.
dissimilar plates.
dissimilar plates.
Dissimilar.
Similar.
It is like collision M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by M1 plus M2 type only, na?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Same
sir.
direction plus opposite direction,
Minus. Yes.
like that.
Negative.
Okay. Then in this example, as already we have taken what we have taken as V1 is greater than V2. This implies V1 is greater than V2. Then common potential will be less than V1 and more than V2, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because one will decrease, another will increase. So V1 is keep on decrease, V2 is, then they will meet at the point, which one? V. So V is more than V2 and less than,
V1.
V1.
then we have to now check it out. What we have to check it out in the entire process of this is called combining the capacitors. That is called mixing the capacitors. Then in the process, what happens is the charge on one capacitor. Who will transfer the charge to whom? The capacitor at higher potential
Higher potential.
will transfer to the other capacitor at lower potential. Then charge is not wasted, but one capacitor loses the charge, reduces the charge on it, and pumps to which one?
Another lower potential.
Lower potential. Till the potentials of these two people will become
Equal.
equal.
Same.
Same. Then what we have to write is what we have to calculate. We got common potential. No? Done. No?
Got it.
Yes.
Second one is delta Q, means charge transferred is how much you have to calculate. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
And in the process, what is U initial of the system, U final of the system, delta U of the system. System is lost in any energy or not, we have to calculate that. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
That is called loss in energy of the system. Not only loss in energy. Initially, first capacitor has what you call energy half CV1 square. Na?
Yes, sir.
Then after retaining common potential, it has a half C1 V square. Na?
Yes, sir.
As V1
Yes,
is greater than V2, its energy got reduced to some
Reduced.
lower value. Na?
Yes, sir.
Then we should calculate what is delta U1, delta U2, and not only delta U1, energy loss by difference is the first one and energy loss by second one. Not only this also, we should calculate what is U initial of the system and U final of the system. We have to calculate. Is there any change or not? We have to check it out. If change is there, system will lose the energy. If change is not there, system will
Remember.
energy remains
Retain.
Constant.
remains constant. But it is like common velocity, perfect inelastic collision type only. The formula is there here. So
Yes, sir.
definitely system will lose the energy. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we'll calculate what is the common potential. Already we've done the formula derived it. Okay, tomorrow we'll see.
So can you show the pages, sir?
Sir, once can you tell that point, sir, that V1 greater than V greater than V2?
Very simple. One person is keep on potential reducing. Why reducing? Because it is pumping the charges. So charge is decreasing, potential decrease, na?
Yes.
And the other person is what you have potential is keep on increasing because somebody is giving charges to me. I am taking the charges.
Yes, sir.
Then I am more charges accommodating on me. Then what happens? My capacity, my potential will increase. Right? It is like ice and hot water. Ice will temperature will rise, hot water will come down. They attain which one? Some common potential, that is called resultant temperature type. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Like that. Copied this page. Hello.
1 minute.
Yes.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Done.
This one.
Done, sir.
Right. Tomorrow we'll see all that what is called charge transferred by from where to where, how much charge transferred, how much energy we lost and all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo Nana. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.